So somebody commented why I stopped posting videos. Well, I started school at a university, so I can't really post and go to school. It's just a lot of effort. And then my Ford Ranger is at the house, not at the campus apartment, so that's why. But I've been restoring parts, and this is the first video for the sway bar. As you can see, it's not the worst, but it could be better. It's just rusted. I'm gonna be cleaning it up. These, since you can't really sandblast in between there, I'm gonna restore it using the ultrasonic cleaner. It was like, I think $200, something like that. Got an air compressor, and then I have a cabinet. Basically, be a little cheap little setup. Yeah, cheap little setup, sandblast, and then I've been painting the parts here and there. This is the second coat that I've done. The paint that I'm using is RP-342 black. From the research that I've done, it's supposed to like pretty much be like resistant or rust resistant for like 8 years and shit. And you don't need to do like Rust-Oleum, like due to what the fuck is it, like a rust inhibitor or some shit like that. But yeah, restoring it, obviously I'm gonna replace the bushings. I think I have to cut these out anyways because I can't really do it, and then, you know, de-rust this, paint it, be a nice little sway bar link. The only problem with RP-342 that I've seen is that even after it dries, it still leaves this residue. Like it's oil based, so it leaves like residue. So like if you touch it, it'll still leave, you know, shit, but it lasts a lot longer than Rust-Oleum. Like I said, this is all research that I've done. I haven't tested it yet, but yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know, or any tips on anything, let me know. Like I said, I'm a fucking noob at this, so I'm only gonna get better from here.